here at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
We've been here for quite a little bit, long enough to get a new style hat from the outpost here, and all ready to ride Everest.
Oh yes.
So, but Tiffany and I have already enjoyed the Scar cupcake, but Miles has not had the opportunity. So really the best of the seasonal cupcakes with the mixed in caramel right into the chocolate frosting.
Yeah.
Can't wait for Miles to try the Scar. So we're gonna head over there and do that right away.
Yeah, and it's red velvet.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Even better.
So here, oh. Let's go drop in on that cupcake.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the monkeys are out. They just went into the hole, but oh, all the way up in the tower.
Look at it climbing, Blake. Do you see it? He's like, look at that.
In the business.
Making monkey sounds.
Our other primate is no fool. He's chilling in the shade. He comes out every once in a while from his hole. But make no mistake, he is in there. More evidence at Animal Kingdom that the wilderness must be explored. And Miles picked up 2 more badges over in Asia today. It was a twofer at one spot, and it was with Lizzie, who we met right here behind us. Right by the car. So really fun.
She's so nice.
We spotted each other from across the walkway, and she got 2 badges done. So just you know, Dad messed up. I didn't bring the book today, but she gave us the stickers. Mom's got them safe in the purse to transfer when we get home. So excellent job. Okay, check out these dragons, Miles. Look at this. This clockwork one, but of course, one bearing a very fantastic resemblance to and semblance of our Figment. Woo, but not to be missed over here as well. A total, like, never-ending story Falcor looking one. Fantastic.
It's supposed to be like the trees rooted on the earth.
Wow, an earth dragon. Unbelievable. Man, and look at this. An alien style one. Have you ever seen someone attempt an alien dragon? Right here in Animal Kingdom. Saw a pretty awesome dragon collection back there for sale, dude.
Yeah.
They had like one that was like Falcor and one that was like Figment. It was incredible. Tell you what, those drummers. Tell you, what we definitely need now are the creature comforts. Oh yeah, there it is. kiwi star fruit. You're gonna love it, dude. Really good. And the Scar cupcake. Miles' first time. It's really exceptional. Okay, I thought these were leaves, but Miles says these are green flames.
Yeah.
So take a flame.
Because remember in Be Prepared how there's green flames?
Oh yeah, totally. 100%.
I think Scar is my second favorite villain.
Okay. Well, I think his cupcake is going to be your first villain's cupcake because it is amazing. Somehow they put caramel right into the frosting. They use like the rice balls as a binding agent. Right? Caramel right in the frosting. Yeah, I just want to let you know that while I am sharing, I haven't forgotten that my name is on the plate. So you better move quickly if you want to get any.
What's up with this core?
So it's red velvet.
Well, what's up with the core?
Red velvet. Oh my goodness, that is a core. Wow.
It's not how you do it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut that up. So the only thing left to do is to conquer the master of pride himself.
Some people like villains, but evil must always be conquered, so...
And white chocolate again, right? I think so. 100%. It's a quality cupcake. Kiwi star fruit drink. Oh my goodness. Such assertiveness.
Very good.
Yeah.
I'd say it's a little watery, but...
Well... Alright, stir it up a little bit and say that again. Alright, go ahead.
That's a little better.
A little better? Yeah. I thought it was really good. Any large fruit in it for you? When I got it, there was quite a bit of fruit in it. A little bit of bulk. And, you know, with the magic of Disney's Animal Kingdom,
Yeah.
and all of the behind-the-scenes footage with the animals there, definitely want to get out onto the safari right now.
Absolutely. It's been a while since we've been on a safari.
And especially at this time of day, whenever animals really are out. We,
Eating and munching along.
yeah, gotta check out Pride Rock. Certainly did our part to help keep it safe by munching down the Scar cupcake. But now go check out all of the wildlife out there on Kilimanjaro Safari.
Absolutely.
Kilimanjaro Safari. Thank you, Ward. Alrighty, twin day, everybody. That means let's go. Jumbo, everyone. Jumbo means hello in Swahili.
Now, okapi are the only living relative of the giraffe. They have a very similar bone and body structure to giraffe, minus. And on the right-hand side is a baobab tree. Baobabs are leafless for about 9 months out of the year. Tell them conserve water in their trunks. Wildebeest are also known as gnu, spelled G-N-U. Named for a kind of mooing sound that they make. A wildebeest will travel in herds of up to 1.5 million across northern and central Africa every year. And they have bright blue faces and blue backsides, also making them the most colorful monkey. We must be in the middle of a migration right now. And those eggs on the ground are ostrich eggs.
Oh, magic of Disney's Animal Kingdom, Disney Plus. Slight aged look. Man, really brings it together there. Brown interior hood. It's great, like natural, organic looking tree of life. Fabulous.
That's right. It would
Yeah, I love
not
it.
jump back on. Okay. Alright, bye, Price Palette. You have a great day too. Thank you.
I'll tell you what I wouldn't give to sit through a festival of the Lion King right now.
It's kind of just getting hard.
Yeah,
You missed the shows.
absolutely.
Bring them back.
Oh my goodness.
It'd be wonderful.
Sooner or later,
Yeah.
playing above us, I'll tell you what, sooner. Sooner.
Sooner would be good. We're fine. Just bring it soon.
Yes.
Want to see Pumbaa?
Pumbaa?
There he is.
Where? Right down through there? A perfect view? You're right.
He's right there.
Oh my goodness. Can I get him?
Simba's up there. Really? Ah, there's Simba.
Nice. We're staying at an Airbnb in November that has bikes. So we're gonna be doing some bikes for
I don't know
sure.
how to ride a bike, so.
That's like impossible, really. I mean, you can skateboard, you can do so many things. You just haven't had the full opportunity to ride a bike. So it's gonna come to you in an instant, for sure.
It'll be useful. So sad they opened this restaurant like right before.
When we came in, I was like, I don't want to go to Pandora. And immediately my family was just like, what? How can you not go to Pandora? In fact, Miles went as far as to ask if I was, in fact, human. But Tiffany totally reminded me of the egg rolls. So priority number one is the Pandorian egg rolls.
Right. Congo Lupia.
Congo Lupia.
I hope I'm saying it right.
Back at Pandora.
Yeah.
So can't wait to do that.
Yummy.
Crunch crunch right away before flight or river journey. I mean, seriously. With human ambiance down, wow. Unmistakable Pandorian vibes upon entering the world of Avatar. And being greeted immediately by the end of the line for Flight of Passage.
I just
Wow.
realized, listen,
What?
the park closes at 5 and it's 4:24.
Oh no.
So we can only do one ride.
Okay.
So let's go get our treat.
Yeah.
So let's get our treat really fast. Maybe the line will be gone by then.
Who knows?
It can happen.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Which one will it be?
We're gonna do Flight of Passage.
Is that right?
Oh yeah.
How do you feel, Miles?
This line will be
Your hat is very, very Flight of Passage worthy.
Is it?
I think so. I think it has that 80s arcade feel, 90s arcade feel. You know, just that whole...
Saved by the Bell intro.
Yeah, I suppose so. You probably nailed it a little harder right there, but you know what I'm saying. Something just hit me in the shoulder. Did you feel that?
No, I mean, get hit in the shoulder. I can't feel it.
Oh my goodness.
I can't feel it when you get hit in the shoulder.
Oh my goodness. I just had
But
my first Pandorian ghost encounter. Like, I seriously felt something hit my shoulder, like a tap. It was crazy.
you're gonna be okay.
Wow.
You're gonna be okay.
Man. I hope this egg roll has the remedy. Like, I may have just gotten bit by a Pandorian insect of some type. Nice. The night blossom.
Yes. Sorry.
Okay. And one more time on the name.
Pongolupia?
The Pongolupia. Yeah, I'm most excited about the night blossom anyways. Well, is it meeting the expectations? Is there like sugar on the egg roll?
Yeah.
What? So it's like
some kind of, I make cookies like that at this at Christmas time. That
okay, so like the sugar cookie?
No, it's like the one, remember the ones that were like the little pastry with the coconut?
Okay, yes.
In the center and coconut toasted on top?
Very nice.
Yeah.
It tastes like that. I can't wait to try that. Wow.
Here you go, Dad. You can try it.
How do you feel about it? It's a little rich for you? Just, it's okay. You don't have to be down with sweets.
A little rich.
Right on, right on.
What do you think?
I like it, wow. The pineapple is really present in it. The cream is really well balanced. I understand what you're not like into about it.
Yeah. I thought it was cheese.
It is a cheese, like a cream cheese like base. For
light.
sure. But pineapple, the pastry is so light. It's just
really
breaking
good.
apart. And the cinnamon, like, I don't know, dash or glaze on it, really good. You know, as I'm like tasting it here, it really has a lot of the custard base, not so much a cream cheese base. It's very balanced with like a sweet custard. I really do like it. I'll definitely get it again. Is this like something that's been here before and now come back?
Here all the time.
Okay, so was it gone for a little bit? Oh.
No, we've just never had it.
You got it in my head like that it was like a returned item, so we just have always...
Something I really want to return and have.
There we go. So it became a surprise to me. Awesome. Really cool. Well, I mean, do you want to try the Boba Night Blossom Frost slushy with boba on it?
I don't like this either. No.
You like it?
Of course.
I like this, but I have one complaint. Boba balls are supposed to be at the bottom of the cup, so let's just...
they put them at the end. You're gonna put it at the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh. No, I really love this. This is like, it has like a white grape flavor.
Yeah.
And when those bobas go up in your mouth, it's like having little, tiny, white green grapes exploding in your mouth.
Yeah, that's why I put them at the bottom.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's the passage.
Let's do
Because
it.
10 minutes and the park is closed.
Let's take flight. If we don't get in line, we don't get to do anything.
You wanna have
At the Wilderness Explorers, holding up the show here in Pandora. Call, y'all. Call.
Your gear on the back wall and then get onto the link chair the way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight visors.
Come on, dude. I know it's
For your
Halloween, but
safety,
don't scare me like
entire
this.
experience.
So that's it.
Yeah,
Just a simple Animal Kingdom day.
it was so fun.
Started with a new hat.
Yeah.
Riding Everest. Great safari. Fantastic treats. Got you in on the Scar Cupcake.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
the
then
egg rolls. Please.
Pangulupia.
Pangulupia,
Yeah.
the pineapple egg rolls there with, so good. And the night blossom. So.
It was delicious.
Yeah.
And fun.
Awesome
and
day.
Just a great time. Animal Kingdom, always our favorite. And, well.
Wow, except for Magic. And Magic Kingdom we're shooting for possibly
maybe Thursday.
We'll see.
We'll see.
But thank you, Animal Kingdom. Thank you, Disney. And thanks for watching.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And of course,
that'd be great.
See you in our live streams on Insta. Always fun to have you in there.
Love you guys in there.
Coming in more often and very soon familiar on YouTube. But thank you. Great day from Animal Kingdom. Until next time.